people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make bookmarks.
I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not.
I'm taking the back part of an invitation card, scissors, pen, or you can take pencil and a scale. Next, I'll draw a 14 cm square on the card. Now I am dividing the square into 4 parts, 7 cm each. Now I am making a cross line on the first and third boxes. Now I am giving a cut along the line. This is how the shape will be after giving a cut. Now I am giving a little foldings along the line. Now I am sticking the foldings by using the gum. Now I am drawing little eyes. Then I'll attach 2 ears.